Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Chanakya IAS Academy test number 23 full length solution. So let's get started from the question number 1. Question number 1, in which state will India host its first multinational air exercise Tarang Shakti 2024? So the right answer here will be Tamil Nadu, option number D. Question number 2, which country will host the 32nd International Conference on Agricultural Economics in 2024? The right answer here will be India. The city will be New Delhi. Question number 3, which institutions approved a $200 million loan to the support world waste management in India? The right answer here will be Asian Development Bank, option number B. Question number 4, which country is partnering with India to develop the National Maritime Heritage Complex in Lothal, Gujarat? The right answer here will be Vietnam, option number D. Question number 5, which city recently received the World Craft City certificate from the World Crafts Council? So the right answer here will be option number C, Kashmir. Moving forward. Question number 6, we have which institutions honors Google CEO Sundar Pichai with an honorary Doctor of Science degree? The right answer here will be option number B, IIT Kharagpur. Question number 7, in 2023, which position did India retain its in global agricultural exports? The right answer here will be option number B, 8th rank. Question number 8, for which mission has India selected Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla and Group Captain Prashant Bala Krishnan Nair to the ISS? The right answer here will be Axiom 4 mission, option number A. Question number 9, what is the India's rank in the Travel and Tourism Development Index? The right answer here will be option number A, 39th. Question number 10, consider the following statements. These are the two statements we have, and we have to select the correct options here. So here the right answer here will be option 1. Yes, it is right. Statement 2 is also right. So the right answer here will be option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 11, moving forward, consider the following statements again, and also we have to select the correct answer. These are the two statements. The right answer here will be option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 12, again we have these two statements and we have to select the incorrect statements here. Okay, so the right answer here will be both of them are incorrect. Both of them are incorrect. Moving forward to the question number 13. Consider the following statements about Krishi Vigyan Kendras. There are 3 statements here where you have to select the 3 correct options. The right answer here will be 1, 2, 3, all of the above. So we have option D, 1, 2 and 3 as the correct answer. Question number 14, Thodu tribes recently seen in the news are primarily residing in which of the following states? The right answer here will be Manipur, option number C. Question number 15, the real name of which of the following leaders of 1857 was Ramchandra Pandurang? The right answer here will be option number B, Tatya Tu. Question number 16, who among the following was the leader of the Farazi rebellion? The most popular rebellion of that time? The answer here will be Dadu Mian, option B. Moving forward to question number 17. Question number 17 we have is the first tribal leader who was inspired by the Mahatma Gandhi and his ideology was among the following? The right answer here will be option B, Jodanand. Question number 18, the Brahmo Samaj is based on the principle of which of the following? The right answer here will be monotheism, option A. Question number 19, in which of the following was started in opposition to the religious social ideas of Ram Manohar Roy? I beg your pardon, it's Ram Mohan Roy. The right answer here will be Samachar Chandrika. Ram Mohan Roy, Samachar Chandrika, option B. Question number 20. In 1889, a committee was set up in Britain to gain support for the Congress. Who among the following was its president? The right answer here will be Mr. William Digby, option B, Mr. Digby. Question number 21, the revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat was set up in 1905 in which of the following states? The right answer is Maharashtra. It was set up in Nasik district of Maharashtra. Question number 22. Question number 22. During 1923 to 1928, the repetitions of revolutionary activities in Indian politics was due to. The right answer here will be postponement of non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji. This one will be the correct answer. Question number 23. In which of the following sessions of Muslim League did Muhammad Jinnah put forward his 14-point proposal? So the right answer here will be option number C, 1929. Question number 24. Whose name is associated with the Peshawar incident of 1930? These are the four options. The right answer here will be option C, Veer Chandra Singh Garhwali. Question number 25. Hooghly was set up as a base for piracy in the Bay of Bengal by whom among the following powers? These are the four powers here. The right answer here will be option number A, Portuguese. Question number 26. The successor of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was, the option correct option will be option B, Khadak Singh. Question number 27. The term imperial preference was applied to. It was applied to the special privileges to the British imports in India. This one will be the correct answer. Question number 28. Why was Urayur famous in Sangam era? So it was an important trade center of cotton. Option B will be the correct answer. Question number 29. The ancient name of Nilotpal for Mahanadi was stated in which of the following texts? The right answer here will be Vishnu Puran. Question number 30. Who among the following sultans of the Sultanate was the first to shift his capital to Delhi? The right answer here will be option C, Iltutmish. Question number 31. Who among the following of the king of Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Rai, fought against the Battle of Golconda? So the right answer here will be option number A, Quli Qutub Shah. Question number 32. Sharv was a tax which was levied on? It was levied on irrigation, kind of irrigation tax. So the right answer here will be option B, irrigation. Moving forward. Question number 33. The earliest reference of use of magnetic compass in Indian seas was made by which of the following? The right answer here will be Sadruddin Muhammad Aufi. Question number 34. The Chishtiya Sufi order was established by among whom? The right answer will be Khwaja Muinuddin. Question number 35. At which of the following battle was artillery used for the first time by one of the two armies? The right answer here will be first battle of Panipat. Option A. Question number 36. There was only one genuine extremist in India, and that was Mr. Tilak, Mr. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who among the following had made this remark in context with the Bal Gangadhar Tilak? So the right answer here will be option C, Edwin Montague. Moving forward to question number 37. Which of the following Indian leaders did not support the Khilafat movement? The right answer here will be Madan Mohan Malviya. Option B. Question number 38. The statement, I want world sympathy in the battle of right against the might. This was associated with which of the following movements? The right answer here will be Gandhi Dandi March. Question number 39. Who among the following persons called Irwin and Gandhi as the two Mahatmas? So it was none other than Sarojini Naidu. Option number B. Question number 40. Who among the following called the movements of Gandhiji as political blackmail? So the right answer here will be Lord Linlithgow. Question number 41. Subhash Chandra Bose announced the establishment of Provisional Government of Free India. Which of the following dates? These are the four dates here. The right answer here will be 21st October 1943. Option A, 21st October 1943. Question number 42. On the banks of which river Mahavir attained Kaivalya? So he attained on the bank of river Rijupalika. Question number 43. Sursagar, a treatise on music, was written during which of the following Mughal emperors? The right answer here is Akbar. Option B. Question number 44. In which of the following years Ranthambore was captured by Iltutmish? So it was captured in 1226 CE. Question number 45 here. Which of the following states has a tunnel connecting the United Kingdom to the France? So the right answer here will be Dover Strait. Option C. Question number 46. Which country has the largest coral reef of its coast? So Australia has the largest coral reef along its coast. So the right answer here will be option number A. Moving forward, question number 47. So this is related to geography. Question number 47. Where is Malta located? So the Malta is located on Mediterranean Sea. Which city is closest to the equator? These are the four options here. Going by the geographical proximity, the answer here will be option number D, Singapore. Question number 49. Which of the following state is closest to the international date line? Which of the following state is closest to international date line? The right answer here is Gibraltar Strait. Question number 50. These are the country and you have to identify whom among the following share borders with Moldova. So the right answer here is Ukraine share its border as well as Romania shares its borders. This is incorrect. So the right answer here will be option number A, 1 and 2. Question number 51. Consider the following statements and you have to identify which of the following statements are correct. Here, Ajman is one of the 7 Emirates of the United Arab Emirates. Yes, it's true. Ras Al Khaimah was the last emirate to join this. Absolutely true. Right answer here will be both 1 and 2. Moving forward to question number 52. Which of the following countries is crossed by the Tropic of Capricorn? These are the 4 options here. 1 is correct, 2 is correct, 3 is correct, 4 is correct. So the right answer here will be option number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 53. Which of the following country is the leading producer of uranium? It is pretty easy. The right answer here will be Canada. Option number B. Question number 54. Consider the following statements. These are the 3 statements here. Question number 54. A terrestrial mile is shorter than a nautical mile. Yes. Meton is a dust latent wind in the east coast of Africa. No, this is wrong. Greece and Albania are part of Iberian Peninsula. Incorrect. So the right answer here becomes only 1. This is correct. Moving forward to question number 55. Which of the following countries is crossed by the equator? So the right answer here is Colombia, Kenya and Indonesia. Option B. Question number 56. These are some famous places. You have to identify who is associated with which of the following countries. The right answer here will be Baikonur is associated with Russia. So this is correct. Option A. Question number 57. At which locations do the origins of 2 important rivers in India occur? One flowing towards the Bay of Bengal and the other flowing towards the Arabian Sea. The right answer here will be Amarkantak. Option A. Question number 58. Which of the following statements are correct here? So India has no reserves of thorium. No. This is incorrect. Monazite sand in Kerala contains uranium. This is also incorrect. Kerala contains thorium. So the right answer here will be neither 1 nor 2. Option number D. Question number 59. These are the 3 statements here. You have to identify which of the following are correct. And the right answer here will be option statement 1 is correct. Yes. The boundaries of a national park are defined by the Wildlife Protection Act. Yes. This is incorrect. And this is correct. So the answer here becomes only 1 and 3. Option number C. Question number 60. In which of the region are the following characteristics found? Hot and humid climate, annual rainfall of 200 centimeters, hilly slopes up to 1100 meters, annual temperature ranges from 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The right answer here will be black pepper is such a crop which is identified with the particular region. So the answer here becomes option C, black pepper. Question number 61. Consider the following statements. These are the 2 statements again here. You have to identify the correct one. There are no rivers flowing eastward in Kerala. Absolutely incorrect. There are no rivers flowing westward in Madhya Pradesh. This is also incorrect. So the right answer here becomes neither 1 nor 2. Option number D. Question number 62. Which of the following state in India has the largest natural reserve of nickel? The right answer here becomes Odisha. Question number 63. Which state in India has the following features? Its northern part is dry and semi-arid. Its central part grows cotton. Okay. Statement 3. Cash crops are more prominent than food crops. Going by this particular three statements, the right answer here will be Gujarat. Option number B. Question number 64. Again, we have these four statements here. You have to identify which of the following is correct. So the right answer here becomes statement 2 and statement 4. This one is correct. This one and this one. So option B becomes the correct answer. 64, option B is the correct answer. Question number 65. A state in India has the following characteristics. It is located on the same latitude as northern Rajasthan. More than 80% of its area is covered with forest. More than 12% of its forest area is protected. Giving by these statements, the right answer here becomes Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 66. Consider the following statements regarding wetlands in India. These are the two statements. The right answer here becomes option number A, only one. Statement 1 is the correct answer here. Question number 67. This is regarding Himalaya. While traveling in Himalayas, you will observe deep valleys. Absolutely correct. U-turn river courses. Correct. Very good. Parallel mountain ranges. Absolutely. This is also correct. Steep slope causing landslides. Absolutely correct. So the right answer here becomes option 1, 2, 3 and 4. D. Question number 68. Consider the following statements. The duration of monsoon decreases from southern to northern India. This is correct. The amount of annual rainfall in the northern plains decreases from east to west. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So the right answer here becomes both 1 and 2. Question number 69. Which of the following statement is not correct? You have to identify the not correct. That means incorrect statement here. Giving by this statement, the right answer here becomes option A. The Western Ghats have a relatively higher region in their northern part. No, in the southern region. Question number 70. The Gandhi Sagar Dam is a part of which of the following projects? It's a pretty simple question. The answer here becomes Chambal project. Question number 71. This is regarding to the Pitt's India Act of 1784. The company's territory in India will be called the British Possessions of India. Yes. Governors Council were established in Madras and Bombay. Correct. Option C, both 1 and 2. These both statements are correct here. Question number 72. You have to identify the incorrect options here. Going by these three statements, it's a pretty simple question. This one is correct, this one is correct, and this one is also correct. Option 3, Lord Ripon's resolution was held as yes, absolutely correct. But you have to identify the incorrect option here. So the right answer here becomes option D, none of the above. Question number 73. Consider the following statements regarding preamble. Okay. Statement 1, an eminent jurist N.A. Palkhiwala has called the identity card of constitution. Pretty simple one. Yes, it is correct. Munshi has described it as political horoscope of the constitution. Yes, correct. Based on the objective resolution passed by Pandit Nehru. Pretty simple one. This is also correct. So the right answer here becomes 1, 2 and 3. Question number 74. Consider the following statements about fundamental rights. Justiciable in nature. Very good. During a national emergency, the fundamental rights of the Indian Constitution can be suspended with the exceptions of rights guaranteed under Article 20 and 21. You have to identify again the correct options here. So the right answer is both. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 75. Consider the following statements about directives, principles of state policy, DPSP. These are the three statements and these are pretty simple. 1, 2, 3. These all are correct option here. Answer here becomes 1, 2 and 3. Question number 76. Which one of the following statement is correct about the Prime Minister of India? You have to identify the correct statement here. So the right answer here is option C. He has full discretion in the choice of persons who are to serve as ministers in his cabinet. This statement is correct. So option C is the correct answer here. Question number 77. This is regarding CAG, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The question here demands which of the following duties is not performed by Comptroller and Auditor General of India? To audit and report, yes. To audit and report all expenditure, absolutely correct. Option C, to audit and report on all trading, manufacturing, profit and loss accounts, pretty correct. The right answer here becomes, this one is incorrect, to control the receipts and issue of public money. Question number 78. Consider the following statements. These are the three statements here. You have to identify again which of the following are correct. The right answer here becomes 1 and 3. 2 is incorrect. The Constitution of India provides for 3 sessions of Parliament, but it is not mandatory to conduct all the 3 sessions. This statement is correct. Sorry, incorrect. So the right answer here becomes statement 1 and statement 3. Consider the following statements. Again, here we have to identify which of the following statements are correct. The right answer here is 1 and 2, option B. Question number 80. Which of the following statements are correct here? A bill pending in the Lok Sabha lapses on its prorogation? No, it does not. A bill pending in the Rajya Sabha which has not been passed by the Lok Sabha shall not lapse on the dissolution of the Lok Sabha. This is correct. So the right answer here becomes option B, 2 only. Question number 81, moving forward. Consider the following statements regarding DPSP. These principles spell out the socio-economic democracy in the country. Yes. The provisions contained in these principles are not enforceable by any court. Yes, this is also correct. So the right answer here becomes both 1 and 2. This one is correct. Question number 82. Which of the following statements are true fundamental duties of a citizen? A legislative provision has been provided to enforce these duties? Absolutely wrong. They are correlative to legal duties? Absolutely wrong. So the right answer here becomes neither 1 nor 2. Question number 83. These are the 2 statements with assertion and reason. These are the assertions, this is the reason. So going by this statement, this one is wrong and this is right. So the answer here becomes A is false but R is true. Option D becomes the correct answer here. Question number 84. The Comptroller and Auditor General can be removed from his office in the manner same as Judge of the Supreme Court. Option C. Question number 85. Which of the following statement regarding the office of Speaker is correct? The answer here will be if he intends to resign, the letter of his resignation to be addressed to that of the Deputy Speaker. Option D is correct. Question number 86. Which kind of wave is used in night vision device? Pretty simple one, infrared waves. Question number 87. A clinical death occurs when all of the above 3 conditions, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. All of the above 3 conditions are present together. Question number 88. The primary distinction between the living and dead is in the growth, in the size, in the movement, in the presence of M. Option number D is correct. Question number 89. Protoplasm sunlight is not necessary for bacteria to grow because they prepare their food without the help of sunlight. Option D. Reproduction occurs in the bacteria by which of the following process? The right answer here will be mostly by asexual method. Option D is the correct answer here. Question number 91. Man is a member of which of the following phylums? The answer here will be Chordata. Option number B. 92. The process by which an organism's somatic cells divide is known as which of the following? The right answer here will be mitosis. Option A. Question number 93. Alloys that contains mercury as one of their constituent metal is known as which of the following? So the right answer here will be alloys that contains mercury as azone. I guess there is some kind of spelling mistake here. The right answer here will be amalgams. Option A. 94. Colloids are cleaned up by which of the following? These are cleaned up by dialysis. 95. In an ionic solvent, which of the following has the highest solubility? The right answer here is silver fluoride. Option D. Producer gas. Which of the following is a mixture of producer gas It is carbon monoxide and H2 hydrogen. 97. The plum pudding model was put forth by which of the following? It was put forward by J.J. Thomson. 98. Bauxite is used to extract aluminium. The right answer here will be option D. By electrolysis in molten cryolite. Option 99. Among the elements listed below, the most electropositive one is, you have to identify, this one is the most electropositive element. Question number 100. The inert gas electron affinity is, the electron affinity is 0. Question number 101. The ion of hydronium is, option number D is the correct answer here, H3O+. 104. I beg your pardon, it's 102. There are wooden blocks floating in a lake. The floating block's apparent weight is, so this apparent weight is 0. Question number 103. Which of the following radiation types does not start from inside the nucleus? X-rays. Pretty simple one. 104. Gravitational constant is an example of, it is an example of dimensional constant. Option B. A rocket operates through the conservation of, it operates using the conservation of linear momentum. Option number C. Question number 106. A sprayer works on the principle expounded by, it works on the principle expounded by Pascal. A fresh egg floats in salty water but sinks in pure water. This is due to option number A. Saline water is denser than the pure water. Option number A. Of the following properties of a wave, the one that is independent of the other is amplitude. Option A. Question number 109. The element used in an electric filament. One of the most easiest questions. It is tungsten. Option D. 110. The eye's capacities to see things at all distance is known as, it is known as accommodation. Option D. Question number 111. What is the objective of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana? To increase in the income of poor. This one, option C is the right answer here. 112. What is the purpose of cash reserve ratio set up by the Reserve Bank of India? So the right answer here will be option 112. The right answer here will be ensuring liquidity for the banks. 113. You have to identify the main objective of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. We all know Jan Dhan Yojana is associated with the financial inclusion. So the right answer here is option number B. In which of the following year was the wealth tax abolished in the Indian economy? Option B, 2005. Sorry, it's incorrect. It's 2015. Option D. Question number 115. What measures of the does the Reserve Bank of India use to control inflation? These are the 4 conditions. Increasing cash reserve ratio. Does it? No, it does not. No. Increasing government expenditure? Absolutely not. Raising interest rate is the right answer here. Reducing tax rates? No. This will lead to increase in inflation. So the right answer here will be option number C. Which one of the following is related to privatization? Selling government-owned enterprises to the private sector. Of how much stake? More than 51% of stake. Question number 117. Which index is used to measure inflation in India? Consumer Price Index. This one. From which year was the service tax replaced by the GST? So it was replaced in 2017, 1st of July 2017. Question number 119. What is the main difference between GDP and GNP? GDP measures only domestic production, whereas GNP measures both domestic and foreign production. This one is correct. Question number 120. Which index is considered more important between retail inflation and wholesale inflation? So the right answer here will be retail inflation. Next question. What is the example of primary income? Primary income here mentions all of the above. Question number 122. What type of assets are included in foreign exchange reserves? Question number 122. What financial index is used to measure fiscal deficits? 122. The right answer here will be comparison with GDP. This one. Option B becomes the correct answer here. Question number 123. What type of assets are included in foreign exchange reserves? Foreign currency, foreign government bonds, golds. The answer here becomes option number D, all of the above. What is the primary benefit of agricultural subsidy? So the primary benefit of agricultural subsidy will be providing to increase the farmer's income. Option B will be the correct answer here. Question number 125. Which of the following statements correctly refers to the essential commercial framework of the Reserve Bank of India? The right answer here will be option C. The RBI's commercial framework includes monetary policy, financial stability and exchange rate control. Option C. 126. In context of India's independence, what does fiscal federalism refers to? So going by these options, the right answer here will be providing maximum economic autonomy to states. This one. Fiscal federalism will promote this. Question number 127. What is the main difference between gold reserves and foreign exchange reserves? Going by these statements, the right answer here will be option B. Gold reserve provides alternative monetary value in financial reserves, while foreign exchange reserves help to maintain currency exchange rate stability. This one. 128. What is the main objective of implementing goods and services tax in India? The main objective will be to integrate central and state taxes and simplifying business processes. Question number 129. What types of policies does the Reserve Bank of India use for effective implementation of monetary policy? The right answer here will be control over interest rates, money supply and bank reserves. Moving forward, question number 130. The right answer here will be privatization involves only this one, A. You have to identify the difference between privatization and economic liberalization. It involves only the sale of government companies, while economic liberalization involves the relaxation of all types of business regulations. Option A. 131. These are some questions related to reasoning. I will just state out the solutions here. Option A here becomes brother. 132. Option A. 133. Husband and wife. Option B. 134. If all lake are seas and some seas are rivers, then which of the following conclusion is correct? Option this is some rivers are lake. Pretty simple one. 135. Third, option C. Question number 136. The right answer here will be option A. 137. The right answer here will be option B. EPMMDDF. In regards to the following next three questions, 138, 139, 40, there have been some misprintings. So the numbers will be awarded to each candidate who has attempted this. So the right answer here will be none of these. So we will award this question to everyone who has attempted this question. 138, 139 and 140. Question number 141. What is the primary component of cell wall in plant? The right answer here will be cellulose. 142. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Leaf. 143. Which of the resource is an example of non-renewable sources? Coal. Easy one. 144. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The correct gas will be nitrogen. Option B. Question number 145. These are the two statements here. Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha movement in India. Correct. The first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was a prominent leader from Bihar. Yes. He belonged to Siwan district, Jiradei village. So the right answer here is option number C, both 1 and 2. Question number 146. Consider the following statements about the economy of Bihar. The primary occupation of people in Bihar is agriculture. Correct. Bihar is one of the major producers of jute in India, correct? Bihar and Bengal both. Option C. 147. Which ministry released the Flood Watch India 2.0 app developed by the Central Water Commission? The right answer here becomes Ministry of Jal Shakti. Option C. Question number 148. Who has been nominated as the Legal Service Committee Chairman of the Supreme Court of India by the National Legal Service Authority Limited? The right answer here is Justice B.R. Gavai. Option C. Question number 149. You have to identify the correct statement here. Metals are generally good conductors of electricity. Yes. Lead is a good conductor. No, it is not a good conductor. So the right answer here is only one. The last question for today. Consider the following statements about light. Light travels in a straight line. Good. Light can be reflected and diffracted but cannot be absorbed. This is also good. So the right answer here will be both 1 and 2. These were the 150 solutions for the full length test number 23. I hope you had a very good test. Till then, for the next solutions, keep studying and very best wishes.